Hi, Phoebe and Mila. I realized I haven't recorded one of my most requested soup, the pumpkin soup. So today, I'm going to record this for posterity para pagka time nyo na magluto, you know how Lola Belle did it. Okay? So, I'm going to wear my glasses first. And in here is already the extra virgin olive oil, and we have to go in the onion first para dili masunog ang garlic. Onion, gisa-gisa, and then the garlic. One head garlic, one whole white onion for its sweetness sa soup. There you go. Ginger. And ano ulit ito, te?
Celery.
Celery is good for making soup. Butter. One half of the butter. And since I don't have chicken broth, but I do have chicken cubes, I'll put 2. Dahil yun ang ating pampalasa. And in there, I'm going to put na the black pepper, mga 1 teaspoon. Dried basil, which is good for soup. About 1 teaspoon too. And in is our 1 whole kalabasa with 2 pieces of
Carrots.
And about this is a pinakuluan na water. Ang water should be a little bit above the kalabasa because we have to let it cook for about 20 minutes. Okay. And that's it. We'll cover first. After 20 minutes, we come back. Okay.